I want to say we signed up like right when this pandemic was beginning and like lockdown was going on and our teams felt disconnected and people like didn't understand what was going on in the world. But like still like genuinely we're working really hard to accomplish a shared goal and wanted to be able to feel connected and feel bonded. And that's when we came across assembly. And what we were looking to solve is just like, how do we connect people? How do we get people to show each other appreciation in a really fun, unique way? And with assembly's ability to like, it forces you to show appreciation and to honor your core values as a company and give people shout outs for exhibiting those core values in action. That's one thing that made using this tool kind of a no brainer because you can kind of just see in real time, like connection and positivity and morale boosting. And that's what exactly we were looking to solve. So once we found out that this tool existed, we were like, we're using this.